If you want to cancel a reservation on Booking.com, it only takes a few steps. First, open the Booking.com app or go to their website and log in with the account you used to make the booking. Once you're signed in, tap on the Bookings or My Trips section to see your upcoming reservations. Select the reservation you want to cancel. On the Booking Details page, you'll find a Cancel Reservation button. Tap it and you'll see the cancellation policy for that hotel, including whether it's free cancellation or if any charges apply. If you agree, confirm the cancellation. And you'll immediately get a confirmation email showing that your booking has been canceled. If you booked without creating an account, you can still cancel by opening your confirmation email, clicking on the Manage Booking link, and following the same steps. Always double-check the cancellation deadline to avoid unnecessary charges. And that's it. Just open your bookings, select the reservation, and confirm cancellation. Like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.